Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with finding the camera app, so let's tap on it. Of course, give all the permissions it needs. Okay. And right now we are in the standard photo mode, so the capture one. All we have to do is to tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap. And here let's localize the proper option, which is the countdown duration. Let's tap on it. We've got in total 3 different options: the off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So simply tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds, and as you can see, it is notified right here. And unfortunately, after getting back to the camera, we do not have any kind of information, any kind of icon which will give us the hint that we've got the timer set. So you will be surprised if you will forget that you've set the timer and tap on the shutter button and it will start the countdown. But that's okay. All we have to do is to, as I said, tap on the shutter button, and right now your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after the time it will simply take a photo. Alright, we can also turn off the timer easily. Just go back, tap on the countdown duration and tap on off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.